Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Kiwi Crate. I know it looks different than the normal Kiwi Crates, and I'll explain that in a minute. But we're going to open it up together and see what it is. And so if you are new to my channel, I create this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you unboxings, which is what we're doing today, to give you curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into this crate. Okay, so this month there was some sort of mix-up with the Kiwi Crate. And they actually sent me a crate for a young child, like a baby, which is kind of good. Maybe it was a baby gift. They didn't even know I was pregnant before, they knew before I announced it on social media that I was or something. Anyway, so I had this baby toy. So they sent this as the Kiwi Crate. So it's like not the normal color. It doesn't have the name here. It had a picture on the front, but I didn't want to give it away. So we're going to open it up and discover it together because I don't have a name to give you right now. So this is like the impromptu Kiwi Crate that they sent me for this month. So it says it's a draw and glow planter. So that looks fun. The little guy has some glasses on and he has some little wheat. So this is the instructions. So these fold out. So this is different because I think this is more of a crate you get from their store and not just one that comes in a subscription box. So maybe it does, I don't know. Anyway, so that's what that looks like. And then in here we have our little pot. And this is still ceramic and like pretty nice like quality pot right here. So that'll be good. So just don't let my 6-year-old, how old is he? 6-year-old drop it on the floor. And then we have some chalk in here because you can draw on it. And then these are the little Wonder Soil. I've only used these one other time, so it'll be interesting this time because I feel like last time it didn't work very well. Have you guys had good luck with these things? Because they're so interesting to me, but I just feel like they didn't work super well. So then we have probably this little pot that they're gonna sit inside the bigger one. And then, I don't know, foam pieces. Was there something foam? Oh, his feet. So maybe his feet right here, that's what that's gonna be. And then you can decide if he's gonna have little flippers on, some clogs, no, what are these called? I have never owned any of these types of shoes, so I'm like, I don't remember. Anyways, and then, or some like sneakers. And then wheatgrass seeds. Wheatgrass is so great. If you wanna have your kids plant something that's gonna grow really fast, pick this at Easter. I was gonna say Halloween, no. Easter we plant this to represent Christ and stuff, and it grows really quick from Palm Sunday to Easter Sunday or Resurrection Sunday. And it grows super fast and is really long. My kids love it. So wheatgrass is great, or like they're wheat berries as well is another name for them. Anyways, so this is gonna be fun. It's again, a little bit different than the normal thing just because, I don't know, we've had so many issues the last few months. Normally we don't, like in the whole 2 years that we've gotten crates all the time, we don't have issues, but we've had a few struggles. I still love Kiwico. It's just been a little bit crazy the last few months. So I'm excited to let my son do this. And so he's gonna get at it and we will let you know how it goes. Okay, so Manti finished doing the substitute Kiwi Crate for this month. It was a little bit different, didn't have a ton of activities and stuff, but it was still really fun and really cool. So here it is. We have our crazy guy with his hair, and it's just a lot of fun. I just think it's gotten so tall. I was like, we have to film this today because this grass is getting so long. Anyways, and so he got to decorate the pot with the chalk. So they send a couple pieces of chalk and you can erase it and decorate it some more. So that's fun, and this is a really good pot. So even when we're done with the grass, you could keep it and use it for other little projects. You could plant stuff in it because I think, oh no, we put a little thing in it to drain it. So it's just, it doesn't even have holes in the bottom. So you could use it for a decor piece or something else. It doesn't even have to be for a potted plant type thing. And then he could pick the little shoes to put on, and it has a few other options. And so he picked just some normal sneakers. And then we soaked the seeds. So that was something, we started to do this project, and I didn't realize you need to soak the seeds because we plant wheat berries at Easter time on Palm Sunday and have them grow throughout the week as a Christ lesson for our family. And I have never really soaked them, and they still grow plenty fine, maybe not this much. They would grow much better if I soaked them. Anyways, and so it said to soak for like 8 to 12 hours, I think, right here. I don't even know where it is. Right here in the yellow, it says before you start, you know, and you're soaking them 8 to 12 hours. I'm like, maybe they should have put it on the front right here so I would know. Anyways, and so you just put them in a cup or whatever, and I think we soaked ours for 7 hours. I don't think it was a complete 8 because we started this in the morning and then we put them in right before we went to bed, and they go to bed around 7. And that worked fine. Like within the next day, they were already sprouting and growing huge, as you can see. They're quite humongous. And then he loved the soil. That was like one of his favorite parts. It comes with just these little discs. I don't think I have a picture, oh, right here. So the soil discs, which we haven't really ever used before. And so we started pouring water on them and they just, you know, poof up. It's really hard to see in the video because they're inside a dark planter and they're dark, so you can't really tell. Anyways, and so it just was super, super fun to watch his face. He was just amazed at those. And then you just plant the seeds. It's a lot of seeds. We just kind of squished them down as much as we could because it says to do it about 1 inch, and we squished them down. And then you cover it with a paper towel for the first like couple days until they start to grow, you know, a good amount, like 1 inch, I think it says. And you just wet the paper towel a couple times a day, and then they'll start to sprout and they grow into grass. So I just thought this was fun. It was a different project. Obviously it didn't have all the other little crafts and activities, but it's really cool watching things grow, and it fascinates children. And so this was just a lot of fun for him to be able to watch. And I think it shows, like, if you want to cut their hair, you could cut its hair. I'm trying to think, I feel like there was another page in here that shows that. Yeah, it says grow your creativity. And so you could cut their hair off. So it says use scissors to trim the wheatgrass and make some fun shapes. It has you playing chalk, like tic-tac-toe on there, so that would be fun. Or you could, again, plant another plant. So they have a little succulent in there. So there's a lot of different options and stuff that they could do. He'll probably love to cut this. I might send him outside to do it though, so that I don't have to clean up the mess. Maybe we'll let them grow until they're a little bit taller and then he can cut them. But it was a really fun project. And again, kids are just fascinated with watching things grow. It's just really fun and cool for them. So if you enjoyed seeing this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.